How to replace hydraulic oil. Tools needed to change hydraulic oil. Remove oil from the hydraulic tank through the filler neck. Move the mower into the service position with correct tool, unscrew and remove the hydraulic filter. Check the correct placement and condition of sealing rings. Clean the bearing surface of the sealing rings and mount the new filter and tighten. Move the mower back into the operating position and add hydraulic oil. Refill the hydraulic oil to the correct level as indicated on the dipstick.